Hello guys, I hope you guys are doing excellent. Okay, my name is Teacher Memo. This video is part of Centro Educativo Americano, and today I'm going to be explaining the present simple. Okay, so let's get started. Time for action. Alright guys, so how do we form the simple present? Good question. How do we form the simple present? Affirmative questions. Okay, so first we need to know what goes first, step by step. Alright, so what we need first is the subject. Okay, the subject is the person. Okay, so first we need the subject, and then we add the verb, and finally we add the object. Okay, for an example, let's see. I drink coffee. Okay, if you look, see, I is the subject, drink, all right, is the verb, and coffee is the object. I drink coffee. All right, so we can use it in that form. Okay, I drink coffee. Another example. All right, let's do another example. Let's see another example. All right, another example. We eat pizza. Okay, we eat pizza. It's another example. All right, guys. So remember, first is subject, verb, and then the object. In this case, the object is the pizza. Okay, we're going to do one more example. Okay, one more example. Let's see. Okay, she plays soccer. All right, she plays soccer. Okay, once again, we have the subject, she, and then we have the verb, plays, and finally, soccer, the object or the activity. All right, guys, so let's continue. Very good. All right. Okay, guys, now we're going to be focusing in conjugating the present simple. Okay, affirmative. Okay, affirmative. Okay, the positive things. For example, I play the piano. I play the piano. You play the piano. You play the piano. He plays the piano. He plays the piano. She plays the piano. She plays the piano. We play the piano. We play the piano, and they play the piano. All right, excellent. In that order. Okay? All right, it's very important to take note. Okay, when we use he, we're going to add an s in the verb. For example, plays. Okay, and when we use she, we also going to add an s in the verb. Okay, he plays, she plays. Is very important rule. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so now how do we form the simple present negative? All right, now we're going to focus in negative sentences in simple present. Okay, this is very important. We need to put the subject, okay, the person, do, not, the verb, and then the object. Okay, it seems complicated, but it's not complicated. Okay, before we continue, we need to get some rules. Okay, some rules, some very important rules. For example, do and not, they go together and they make don't. Okay, we eliminate the o, okay, and it becomes to don't. All right, for example, you do not like the doctor. Okay, if we switch it, okay, we're going to get this. You don't like the doctor. Okay, simple. Okay, we also have a different rule. We have doesn't, does, not, and equals doesn't. Okay, right here we eliminate the O. The O we eliminate. Okay, and it becomes doesn't. All right, so he doesn't like the doctor. He does not like the doctor. Okay, so now it's he doesn't like the doctor. Okay, so we eliminate it and we use doesn't. Okay, it's just a simple rule. All right, let's continue. Okay, now we're going to be conjugating the present simple in negative form. Okay, so let's observe the chart. All right, in the chart we have some examples. For example, I don't play the piano. Okay, you don't play the piano. He doesn't play the piano. She doesn't play the piano. We don't play the piano. They don't play the piano. All right, so it's very important to follow the rules. Okay, let's continue. How do we form simple present questions? Okay, how do we form simple present questions? We're going to need do, subject, the verb, and object. All right. Do elephants eat grass? It's a question. Do elephants eat grass? Do you play soccer? Do you play soccer? Do they play basketball? Does he play tennis? All right. Remember, it's do, subject, verb, and object. Okay, very simple. Okay, let's continue. Okay, let's see right here. How do we form the simple present question? It's more questions. Okay, here's the chart. Do I play the piano? Do you play the piano? Does he plays the piano? Does she plays the piano? Do we play the piano? Do they play the piano? Okay, same things. The questions in order. You need to put in order. All right, let's continue to the next one. Okay, conjugating the present simple. We're going to have the question and affirmative answer, a good answer. All right, for example, do I play the piano? All right. Yes, I do. Okay. Do I play the piano? Yes, I do. Okay, yes, I do. Okay. Do you play the piano? Yes, I do. Does he plays the piano? Yes, he does. Does she plays the piano? Yes, she does. Do we play the piano? Yes, we do. Do they play the piano? Yes, they do. All right, this is questions and affirmative answers. All right, let's continue. Very good. Okay, now we have conjugating the present simple, question and negative answers. Negative answers. All right, for example, do I play the piano? No, I don't. Do you play the piano? No, you don't. Okay. Does he plays the piano? No, he doesn't. Okay. Does she plays the piano? No, she doesn't. Do we play the piano? No, we don't. Okay. Do they play the piano? No, they don't. Okay, it's very important to follow the rules. Okay, in that order, you will have to write each question and answer. Okay, it's very important that you keep going through the order. All right, you need to follow the order. All right, so very good. All right, guys, so thank you very much. Okay, this is the end of the video. If you want, you can repeat it. Okay, so keep up the good work. All right, guys, I hope you guys liked the video. All right, thank you. Goodbye.